Hello, today we are at the EverBe community located in East Orlando. Today we're taking a look at the stunning Mahogany Grand model home. Is from the Legacy series. The Mahogany is a two-story single-family home and it starts at 3,126 square feet. The main features of this home include 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3.5 to 5 bathrooms, 2-car garage. Additionally, it includes a loft on the second floor, and the garage can be transformed to a 3-car garage. On the first floor, you will find 2 flex rooms, a full bath, 2 additional bedrooms, and the owner's suite. Additionally, we have the open floor concept where we have the kitchen, gathering area, and dining area. There is also a laundry area on the first floor. The owner's suite provides space and the privacy that the owners need as it is separated from the rest of the rooms. It features a large walk-in shower, a walk-in closet, and everything you need to unwind at your retreat. If this is the first time in this channel, welcome. My name is Lisbeth Rios. I am a real estate agent here in Orlando, Florida. Please subscribe. I post weekly videos about home tours and general information about how to buy new construction here in Orlando. Ooh, look at that outdoor space. We'll come back and check it out. Okay, on this side of the home, we have 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. If you're curious to look at other model homes at EverBe, I've done a couple of tours. I will make sure to leave the information in the description box below. On this side of the home, you have access to the laundry area and also the pantry area and access to your garage. Let's check that outdoor space. The covered Lanai allows for entertainment year-round. The Lanai offers ample space for you to entertain any guests or just enjoy with your family. As you can see, the backyard offers plenty of space for you to build your own pool. If you want to get more information about the EverBe community, feel free to check my recent video. I'm going to post it on the right-hand corner of this video. Once on the second floor, we have access to the loft area, which is perfect for movie nights or just family entertainment. You also have this additional bedroom with a walk-in closet. And of course, a full bath. If you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me create more videos for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.